By 2025, 90% of jobs will require digital skills. That's right, tech is shaping the future and computer science is at the heart of it. But here is the secret. Success in tech is not just about knowing the latest tools. It is about mastering the fundamentals. In today's video, I will take you through the essential computer science fundamentals that will set you up for success in the ever-changing world of technology. Whether you are an aspiring software engineer, data scientist, or even a tech enthusiast, these fundamentals will give you the foundation to grow in any field. And don't worry, this is not just a boring list. I will break down each fundamental, show you how it is used, and share practical examples to make it all easy to understand. The tech world is moving faster than ever. New frameworks, tools, and programming languages pop up every year. It is not impossible to learn everything. The tech world is moving faster than ever. New frameworks, tools, and programming languages pop up every year. It is impossible to learn everything, right? And that is the challenge most people face. They try to keep up with the trends but lose sight of the fundamentals. But here is the good news. If you master these fundamental skills, you will be prepared to adapt to any trend or technology. It is like learning to ride a bike. Once you know how, you can ride any bike anywhere. In this video, we will dive deep into these 5 key fundamentals. Number 1, algorithms and data structures. Second, computer networks. Third, operating systems. Fourth, databases. And number 5, software development lifecycle. Each of these is essential, and by the end of this video, you will know why and how to start mastering them. Let's start with algorithms and data structures. This is like the toolbox for solving problems in computer science. It helps you write code that is not just correct but also efficient. Let's break down what it is. Algorithms are step-by-step instructions and data structures are ways to organize data. Why it matters? They make your code faster and easier to manage. Real life example, ever used Google Maps? It uses algorithms like Dijkstra's to find the shortest route. How to start it? Start with basics. Learn about arrays, linked lists, and sorting algorithms. Then move on to more advanced topics like binary trees and graph algorithms. Next, computer networks. These are the highways that let computers talk to each other. Understanding networks helps you build apps that are fast, secure, and reliable. Let's break it down. What it is? It is the study of how data moves between the devices. Why it matters? Whether it is a messaging app or a streaming service, everything relies on networks. Real life example, think about how Zoom handles video calls. It's all thanks to protocols like TCP or IP. How to start learning? Learn the basics like HTTP, DNS, and IP addressing. Then explore advanced topics like load balancing and network security. Now move on to operating systems. This is the magic that makes your computer work. It manages everything from running apps to saving files. What it is? It is the software that controls hardware and resources. And why it matters? Understanding OS concepts helps you write better code and troubleshoot problems. Let's take a real life example. Think about multitasking. Your OS lets you run Spotify, Chrome, and Word all at once without crashing. How to master operating system? Start by learning about processes, memory management, and file systems. Tools like Linux can give you hands-on experience. Now, let's talk about databases. In today's world, data is gold. Databases are the tools that store and organize this data so it is easy to access and use. So what it is? A system to store and retrieve data. Why it matters? From social media to banking, almost every app relies on databases. Let's take a real life example. Think about Netflix. It uses databases to recommend shows based on your preferences. How to start learning databases? First, start with SQL to query structured data, then explore NoSQL databases like MongoDB for handling unstructured data. Finally, we have the software development lifecycle. This is the process that takes an idea and turns it into a fully working app. What it is? The stages of planning, designing, coding, testing, and deploying software. Why it matters? It ensures that software is built efficiently and works as expected. Let's take a real life example. Agile development is a popular method where teams work in short cycles to deliver features quickly. How you can start learning the software development lifecycle? First, learn the basics of Agile, CI/CD pipelines, and testing frameworks. If I had to choose one skill that stands out the most, it is algorithm and data structures. Why? Because it is the foundation for solving problems efficiently, no matter what technology you use. Mastering this skill can help you ace coding interviews and stand out in any tech roles. To recap, the top 5 fundamentals are algorithms and data structures, computer networks, operating systems, databases, and software development lifecycle. By focusing on these, you will build a strong foundation for a successful tech career. Now it's your turn. Which of these fundamentals are you most excited to learn? Let me know in the comments. And if you are ready to dive deeper, check out my next video on advanced computer science skills. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips. See you in the next video.